Welcome to Sugosha Defence News. Today's highlights: General Atomics to replace MQ-9B Predator drone that crashed for Navy missions. Infosys to invest about 17 crores in space tech startup GalaxEye. Telecom Center of Excellence India and Visvesvaraya Technology University, the Visvesvaraya Research and Innovation Foundation sign an MoU to establish a center of excellence in quantum technology and associated 5G 6G technologies. DCX Systems bags 155 crore rupee order from Israeli defense company Elta. SIDM signs two MoUs on defense industry cooperation with UAE partners. India extends $50 million lifeline to Maldives amidst economic challenges. JanyuTech unveils Varaha QRS quick robotic system, a revolutionary four-legged robotic system for defense. In the global news, Canada kicks off submarine tender after survey of global tenders. Rolls-Royce selling naval propulsion business to Fairbanks Morse Defense. Renk and Kentucky announce strategic partnership in field of advanced mobility technology. Austal Greenroom Robotics to co-develop autonomous maritime technologies. A look at the news in detail. General Atomics will replace the MQ-9B Predator drone soon to fulfill its contractual obligations with the Indian Navy. As per the agreement between the Navy and US firm, they are supposed to fly a certain number of hours every month to meet naval requirements. Indian Navy signed a contract with the US in 2020 under emergency provisions to acquire advanced surveillance capabilities. The leased Predator high altitude long endurance remotely piloted aircraft HALE RPA operating from INS Rajali in Arakonam experienced a technical failure during a routine surveillance mission. Infosys has agreed to invest in space tech startup GalaxEye up to 17 crore rupees as part of Infosys Innovative Fund. The all-cash deal is expected to be completed on or before 30th of September. Infosys will undertake a minority holding in GalaxEye, not more than 20% of the outstanding share capital of the company. Incubated at IIT Madras and based out of Bangalore, GalaxEye is building multi-sensor satellites and synchronization platform which generates comprehensive all-weather high-resolution and intuitive data sets. The investment will be made in equity and Series A compulsory convertible preference shares allotment. A memorandum of understanding was signed between the Telecom Center of Excellence and Visvesvaraya Technological University, Visvesvaraya Research and Innovation Foundation. The landmark MoU is for establishing a center of excellence in quantum technology, associated 5G 6G technologies, and other frontier areas of research and development. This center of excellence, headquartered at VTU VRIF Bangalore, aims to accelerate India's progress across these key sectors and is part of the 100-day program. The COE is designed on a hub and spoke model for innovation with VTU, VRIF and TCOE India serving as the central hub. Leveraging the intellectual and infrastructural strengths of VTU's 228 affiliated colleges, the COE will act as a key facilitator in research and development. Through this model, the COE will streamline cutting-edge research, foster collaboration, and rapidly scale innovations across quantum and associated 5G 6G technologies. The hub will have vertical focused innovation groups and get the best experts among the affiliated colleges. It will enhance synergy among key organizations working in telecom standardization such as Telecom Engineering Center, Bharat 6G Alliance, TSDSI, academic network and startup ecosystem. This COE will empower over 4 lakhs students 2,000 plus PhDs, and numerous researchers across VTU's network to streamline R&D and drive the commercialization of groundbreaking innovations. The Israeli defense company Elta, which is engaged in developing advanced defense and intelligence electronics including sensors, radars, electronic warfare and communication systems, has placed a major order worth 154 crore rupees, which includes the supply of radio frequency electronic modules. The order is expected to be completed in a year with DCX Systems. In a landmark move to enhance defense cooperation, SIDM signed two Memorandum of Understandings on defense industry cooperation with Emirates Defense Companies Council EDCC and Edge Group UAE. This significant development took place during the first ever India UAE Defense Industry Partnership Forum held in Abu Dhabi on 18th of September. The historic forum was organized by the Embassy of India in Abu Dhabi under the aegis of the Ministry of Defense in coordination with UAE Ministry of Defense. In a goodwill gesture, India has decided to roll over a $50 million treasury bill for an additional year upon the request of the Maldives government. At the request of the government of Maldives, the State Bank of India has subscribed the $50 million government treasury bill T-bills issued by the Ministry of Finance of Maldives for a period of one more year from the date of maturity of the previous subscription of September 1924. The High Commissioner of India in Maldives said in a press release. The Vasai-based startup JanyuTech has developed the Varaha QRS, that is the Quick Robotic System, an advanced four-legged robot designed for military and industrial applications, offering stability and mobility in rugged terrains. The Varaha four-legged robot is also called the quadrupedal robot. It moves only on one leg at a time but has stability and a lower center of gravity. Thus, when they lift a leg, they get a tripod configuration. Let's have a look at the benefits of this four-legged robot. The robot features a unique structure that ensures mobility remains uncompromised, allowing it to navigate various terrains effectively. It prioritizes safety through regular process monitoring, reducing the risk of accidents and ensuring the well-being of both the robot and its surroundings. It is designed to military standards, specializing in surveillance operations in unstructured terrain, providing reliable performance in challenging environments. It is equipped with a sophisticated awareness system, enabling it to observe and process information from its surroundings effectively. It utilizes intelligent obstacle detection capabilities to identify foreign bodies and obstacles in its environment, enhancing navigation and safety during operation. A look at some global news. The Canadian military has formally begun its efforts to acquire a fleet of up to 12 conventionally powered submarines. The Canadian government has requested submarine builders submit information of their boats by 18th of November in what is seen as a first step in the eventual purchase. The current fleet of Victoria-class submarines operated by the Royal Canadian Navy will be decommissioned in the mid-2030s. To avoid any gap in Canadian submarine capabilities, Canada anticipates a contract award by 2028 with the delivery of the first replacement submarine not later than 2035. The purchase would involve acquiring up to 12 conventionally powered under ice capable submarines. No cost figures were released at this time. Canada is open to submarines that are currently in service or in production. Submarines would be capable of conducting precision attacks and would be equipped with heavyweight torpedoes, anti-ship missiles and long-range precision land attack missiles, according to the initial information provided to the industry. Rolls-Royce has reached an agreement to sell its naval propulsors and handling business to Fairbanks Morse Defense for an undisclosed amount of money. The sale will see Rolls facilities in Pascagoula and Walpole, as well as its Canadian location in Peterborough, Ontario, transfer over to Fairbanks Morse. According to the company announcement, the divested business supports a range of specialist propellers and water jets for naval applications, as well as specialized handling systems that enable the deployment and recovery of manned and unmanned craft and other cargo from naval vessels. Renk Group AG, a leading supplier of military and civilian propulsion solutions, has signed a strategic partnership agreement with the global defense and security company Kintec. The agreement will see the two companies jointly develop future mobility concepts for military land platforms in the weight class of 5 to 60 tons. The partnership will focus on advanced hybridization concepts and uncrewed ground vehicles. As part of the agreement, both partners will leverage technological core competencies and strengths. RENC will contribute its expertise in the area of gear technologies and complete system solutions, including electric devices and power electronics. Kintecu will contribute its expertise in advanced autonomy and maneuverability. The joint activities will be coordinated on the basis of a clearly defined research and development roadmap. Australian companies Austal and Greenroom Robotics have signed a strategic partnership agreement to deepen their collaboration to develop systems and technologies that can enhance the autonomy of surface vessels. Under the agreement, the two companies intend to continue the development of systems and technologies that can reduce crewing, increase safety, and enable remote and autonomous operation of vessels. Designed and constructed by Austal, it announced on 18th of September. Austal and Greenroom Robotics have been working together to implement the petrol boat autonomy trial for the Royal Australian Navy since October 23. Under this trial, a decommissioned Armidale class petrol vessel built by Austal and formerly in service with the RAN as the H. Maitland was integrated with autonomous capabilities and tested. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and please do give us your feedback. Thank you.